Good day everyone and welcome back to MasterCAD Academy classes. Today we are going to learn about the orthographic projection. So what is this concept and why do we need it as engineers? In previous tutorials we took an example of an orthographic projection drawing and learned about these 2D forms and the 3D form which is represented by these views from each side. Alright? In actual sense, we only learned how to do basic drafting using orthographic drawing as an example, and we copied what was there in the drawing. So in today's tutorial, we are going to understand the concept of orthographic projection and how to use this technique to change 2D views into 3D objects. Stay tuned and let's get started. So in normal cases, you will either have the isometric view and you will be asked to turn this view into 2D drawing and project two or more views from it. Drawing each side, so the top, the front, and the side view using orthographic projection technique, or vice versa. Meaning you will have the 2D views and you will be asked to draw the object in 3D isometric view. These exercises will be tackled in the upcoming tutorials, but for now, let us understand the technique and what is this orthographic projection is all about. Here we have the isometric view of the object, and it is in 3D form. Now we want to present this object in 2D form, and for that we need a picture plane. So let's say, for example, someone is standing somewhere here, and he is viewing the object from this angle. He will only see this face of the object in two-dimensional view, meaning he will see the width and the height, but not the depth. Similarly, if he stands from the side, he will only see this part and this part of the object. As you can see, he will see this section and this one. So the depth of the object won't be visible to the viewer. The same is applied with the top view. If someone is above the object and he is looking at it directly from the top, he will see this part and this part and this one, and he won't see this section. So basically, in orthographic projection, we imagine an invisible picture plane. So let's say this is a piece of paper which takes the face of the object and presents it in two-dimensional view. So we call this technique a projection because we are projecting lines from several points of the 3D object and transfer them to the picture plane, where we will draw our two-dimensional view of the face projected. Let's see how these lines are projected from each side. And remember that in isometric view, the lines are set at 30 degrees and the projection follows the same rule. In most cases of orthographic projection drawing exercises, we will have three main 2D views because isometric views show only three sides of an object. But for cases where we have a complex object which has more details in other sides as well, we will need to have more details in the isometric views, or even having two separate iso views in order to project all the hidden sides. So let's take the baby steps and learn the basics, and I promise you we will be drawing complex drawings in no time once the fundamentals are embedded in our mind and we can visualize the object without thinking of these imaginary picture planes. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood the concept. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and I will make sure to answer you. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe for more content. Bye bye.